Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to discuss about my the concept of advanced option strategy, that is a positional. And here we are going to check the data points that we have updated for the last month, how the stocks are moving and how we selecting. And here these the data, so where we are taken out 1 month back. So based on the data, so we are looking out for a strategy, so which is helping you to find out trade opportunities. Here this data where we have planning high volatile stock that may be perform in the monthly basis. That is what our concept. So we find a lot of opportunities, and these are all the top listed stocks we are selecting. And this one is we are finding out, or we are the data given by the first of before April, I think last day of the month. So next month, so those who are using our option scanner, so the data will be updated for May, should be on before first May only. So whatever the data which is showing you right now, so that may be old data, but weekly and intraday, maybe intraday scanner which you have almost 223 24 F4 stocks would be there. So we will be finding out those stocks which breaking the Camarilla R4 breakout. So Camarilla is a pivot point which consists of S1, S2, R1, R2 up to R6 and S6 levels. From stock options which were breaks that R4 level, that we are filtering out with the scanners. Maybe try to find some good breakout opportunities on intraday basis. That is what our scanner helps to find, and this is what positional strategy basis, by applying our strategy like 1.1, 2.1 or FO or SBB, whatever the strategies which you have learned on our positional option course, that we are going to implement on those stocks. So these are all the top listed stocks. So by using that our advanced option strategy course in mainly for a stock option, so we are not trying to find out 10 15 stocks. So how to find out 3 to 4 stocks which helping you to find out some better volatility and better trade opportunities that we are finding with this sheet. And this is not a regular updated sheet, it is a monthly once. Before the starting of the month we are updating from this, so we are finding a high volatile stock. So this month in this bank, Tata, BSE, AU Bank, so these are all the expected, we are finding out those stocks which we are trying to find, and how many stocks are generating such a good move. So these are all the expected things the stock can able to move this much of points. Either it may be a positive or a negative. So we are not planning that is going to happen in bullish side or bearish side. So we are not discussing about the direction of the trades, and also we are not providing any tips and tricks here. It is about the volatility based. We are calculating there is a possibility of the stock can able to move, or an index can able to move either up or downside. That is what a range we are fixing out the range. So after fixing the range, we are finding out the stocks to get some opportunities, whether it is going to be moved in a positive direction or negative direction according to this movement. So we will plan a non-directional strategies. A lot of non-directional option strategies are available. So best one which we are going to use it on our strategy. For an example, in this bank, we are expecting more than 109 point. We are expecting for the month of April from the day one. Okay, so let me try how much movement it is happening. So will it is meet our expected. So from first April, device, this is what first April. So previous is somewhere around from that particular point 28 March. So we are expecting the stock can able to move 110 points either in a downside, maybe upside. So in this case, it is almost 200 point it moved. So here it is our expectation is in meet in this particular stock, that is more than our expected. So high volatility basis. So we will be finding out some non-directional trade maybe works on those stocks. And something like Tata Elxsi, we are expecting somewhere around 600 point. That is what based on the volatility factor. So we are expecting 600 point. There is a possibility to move from the beginning of the month. So this is what a first April, and from that point we are expecting 5,200. So from that point we are expecting 600 point. So in downside almost 490 and upside almost 752. There also be a expected movement can be happen on those stocks. So this is what has started already started BSE, AU Bank, BSE. We are expecting 860 points. These are all the things which we have updated period to the month. So 26, 28. This is the point. So almost from that point, if that stock reaches our expected range, either the side, we have ability to make some good non-directional strategies like 1.1 or sometimes directional like 2.1 or 3.2 according to your direction. So we are not trying to find out the direction based on this, and we will be finding out this. And this is what our sheet where it is helping you to find out the intraday breakouts based on the R4 values are broken list will be updated here. So this is what a Google sheet many months back we are making a lot of videos again this, and this is what a tool to find a opportunity. So let me run this. So these are all the opportunities which is happening. So for example, PFC 440, whether it is breaks at what point of time, then we will be finding out on the R4 breakout which is happening already. So this is what a point R4 is broken in a second candle itself. The R4 level is 24.05, where it is exactly 24.03. So after the R4 breakout, it is giving you. So a lot of things also we need to follow. Here it is almost what all the F&O list. It will be scanning what other stocks are breaking the R4, and monthly is based on our positional, and right now what are the data which is showing, because already the April contract expired. It is not right one at this moment. And weekly is about every week. So we are looking for last week we have a Sriram, and this is for only one day, and now it is going to be updated for on this one. We are updating for a daily basis, and inside Camarilla which forms on any stocks like a Dixon 16500, for example, Dixon 16500. So it would be inside between the previous day. So look at this inside. Yesterday it was an inside level, and after that it broke on S4 as well as R4. So we have some criteria, and R4 is not a valid and S4 is breakdown, and there is a good down movement. Something like inside between the overall trading range on the particular days, and inside between the R3 and this S3. So that kind of things also we will be finding out with the scanner. And these are all the things which you are using with the tool. These are all the tools to use our option strategy. And right now, so we'll try to update our next week. But if you are looking out monthly thing, so you will be waiting till end of this month, and we will be getting the clear. And this monthly sheet for the month of May also going to be updated before 1st May, and where we find high volatile stocks, and we are expecting range something which we are planning with this, and maybe a good opportunity for a positional one. So if anyone who interested to join our positional strategy course, so both mode available, so either recording or one-to-one. So if you're really interested, just ping me on my WhatsApp number is shown on this video. And the sheet, we are stopped to providing you the sheet, and we are not giving you the sheet for new ones, and we will be using only for fresh. So the now the sheet is updated for tomorrow. I think right now, so there is no, and whatever the stock which is showing you already ended, that was not liquid stocks. And previous videos you can check how to use that also we mentioned. And this is what a weekly and intraday updated. Monthly is not updated. It will be starting from the first of the month. The monthly sheet also going to be updated, and we have a back data last month. So almost from 2020 we have the back data for our the strategy. So which you are from almost 2020 we have a data, but only few sheets we can give you access to sheet. This is what update the sheet on Google Sheet and monthly IV sheet, and those who are options to student you will be understanding. And from you should wait till 1st of the May, and then you can apply our strategies according to the stock selection based on our concept. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.